All right, our next experiment, we will need a big bowl and some plastic wrap. So I put mine over very tightly. You can see there how it's really tight. Kind of sounds a bit like a drum. Good, so once you've finished putting your cling wrap over your bowl, I want you to get your rice or your sugar crystals or your jelly crystals or whatever you have and put maybe about a teaspoon on there. Did you hear that when I put that on? I'll do it again. Kind of sounded a little bit like a drum. Oops. I'm going to put some more on. Okay, I'm just going to look through and see how you're all going. All right, looks like everyone's pretty much sorted. So this is the part where it's going to get noisy, all right? We have our plastic wrap on our bowl and we have our sugar or rice or whatever it is there. Now we need something that makes a lot of noise. Now I have a baking tray and I have a spatula from the kitchen. If you need to run and get it now. And I'm just going to show you how noisy it can get. It's pretty noisy. I hope that didn't hurt your ears too much. Now, once you've gotten to that point, you need to move this close to your bowl and give it a big bang. And when that's happening, I want you to look at your rice or your sugar and see what happens. So you need to bang it just near the bowl, but not touching the bowl. So we all found that when we banged this near our bowl, the rice or the sugar started jumping around. And I asked you why you thought that happened. And some people said because of the sound, and some people said because of the sound waves. And that's really true. That's really accurate. The waves came in when I was banging over here. Sound travels through the air. So it traveled through the air and made this start to vibrate. And that's kind of what happens actually in our ears, that sound travels into our ears and makes our eardrums, we have something called eardrums, vibrate, and that's how we hear sound. Now, if you want to find out more about that, it could be a really good idea to get online with your helper or your parent and maybe look at pictures of what eardrums look like, because it works like a drum, but it doesn't actually look like a drum that you bang on. So that is experiment number 2.